Hello, good day, and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 6. Use the diagram below to answer question 6. Now, this is the diagram given to us, and this diagram represents an open stomata or open stoma. And like we know, it regulates what the exchange of gases in plants. Now, the part that allows passage of water vapor to the atmosphere is Now, let's label this part fully so we can know the parts. I says I is the chloroplast. I is the chloroplast. II is the outer thin wall. The outer thin wall. III is the nucleus. IV is the guard cell. And V is the stomatal pore. Now they say the part that allows passage of water vapor to the atmosphere is, now the chloroplast, like we know, contains the chlorophyll that is responsible for what? Photosynthesis. So it cannot be what we are looking for. It cannot be what we are looking for. Now II is the outer thin wall that helps to what? Protect the stoma, so it can't be this. Then III is the nucleus which regulates what activities going on in this stoma, so it can't be this. Now option IV says what? The guard cell. Now the guard cells are responsible for what? They control the opening and closing of the stomata. They control the opening and closing of the stomata. They control the opening and closing of the stomata. I can see the stomata now. This stomata is what? Is an open stoma. The stomatal pore is open. Now this is the guard cell. These are the guard cells, and these guard cells, what? They control the opening and closing of this what? Stomata. But then the question says the part that allows the passage of water vapor. Now V here is the stomatal pore. It is this stomatal pore that allows the passage. Stomatal pore. It is this stomatal pore that allows the passage. It allows the passage of gases. Although the guard cell regulates the opening and closing of the stomatal pore, but still the stomatal pore is the one that has the function of what? Allowing the passage of the water vapor to the atmosphere. Like you know, water vapor is a gas, so therefore V is the correct answer, and that is option E, stomatal pore. V is the stomatal pore that allows the passage of what? All gases, respiratory gases, including the water vapor. So V is the correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and for more past questions.